Hi, my name is Shaya Wolf and I am a CEDAR alumni. I graduated from the University of Wyoming this past spring, and I just wanted to take a brief second to get the word out about a new project I'm starting at Idaho National Lab. This project is about zero trust architectures for industrial Internet of Things, where we will be using testbeds, data analysis, codified systems, binary analysis, just about everything in between. This project revolves around the idea that all entities inside the network must be continuously authorized to maintain access. This is a common practice in many networks. However, we have yet to see full-scale deployment of not only zero trust architectures, but architectures with a deep understanding of system statistics and how those relate to larger messages about resiliency. I have included an example here from CISA, which uses identity, devices, networks, applications, and workload as their main foundations for zero trust. But what I really like about this sort of layout is that they're showing cross-cutting principles such as visibility and analytics, automation and orchestration, and governance. I'm not saying this is exactly what we're going to use. I'm just saying that using it as an introduction to kind of talk about what we mean by zero trust. For this project, we will be building a testbed of IIoT devices that highlight an array of different systems, processes, and protocols. Then we want to codify those system statistics to demonstrate attack surfaces and resiliency measures. One of the central features of this research is having an incredibly evidence-rich collection of vantage points of the system that allow us to make broader determinations regarding system trust. So to complete this research, we will be building off of prior work completed by amazing researchers at Idaho National Laboratory. Here I'm including a couple of images from a project completed and led up by Rita called Infrastructure Expression. And we'll also be using a lot of tools created by Haile for strategically reverse engineering binaries. So in our case scenario, we'll be reverse engineering a lot of firmware. That brings us to challenges in future work. We have a Boise State student. For this project, they're a senior looking to master in computer science. And we're looking for a student from the University of Wyoming in the same position. It doesn't necessarily have to be a senior who wants to master in computer science, but we're looking for somebody who has an aptitude for some of these skills. So there are a lot of skills required for this sort of work, and nobody on our team is going to have every skill, but we're really looking for somebody who's engaged and has a talent in a couple of these different areas. So if you're interested, please reach out to Dr. Borowczak. His email is mike.borowczak@uyo.edu, and we hope to hear from you soon.